Hey guys, welcome back to Math for My Desk, and in today's video we'll be solving this indefinite integral right here of 1 divided by 1 minus e to the x with respect to x. So the way we're going to go ahead and do this is by using this trick, and this trick is basically recognizing that this 1 right here, that's the same thing as 1 plus e to the x minus e to the x. So you're just adding e to the x, but then you're subtracting it. So it's the same thing because this right here, it simply ends up being 0. So this is generally a trick that you want to use for whenever you have something like 1 divided by 1 minus k. You want to do 1 equals 1 plus k minus k. So now we're going to go ahead and rewrite our integral as the integral of 1 plus e to the x minus e to the x divided by, or actually, let's keep it like this, divided by 1 minus e to the x dx. And basically what we can do here is we can separate this fraction right here. We can separate it into 1 minus e to the x divided by 1 minus e to the x plus e to the x divided by 1 minus e to the x, because if you add those fractions together, it's just once again 1 minus e to the x plus e to the x. Maybe you don't see it here, so like perhaps it would have been better to write 1 minus e to the x plus e to the x, but essentially it's the same thing. And of course, let's not forget the dx right here. Then we recognize that 1 minus e to the x divided by 1 minus e to the x, well, that's just 1. So we can end up rewriting this as the integral of 1 plus e to the x divided by 1 minus e to the x dx. Then I'm going to go ahead and separate the integrals. So I have the integral of 1 dx plus the integral of e to the x divided by 1 minus e to the x dx. The integral of 1 dx, that's really easy. That's just x. And we'll deal with the constant of integration at the end. But first, we want to go ahead and figure out how to solve this integral right here. So let's do some substitution. If we let u equal 1 minus e to the x, then du is equal to negative e to the x dx. And e to the x dx, that's negative du. So negative du is e to the x dx. So I can write this integral as the integral of 1 over u times negative du. If I bring the negative out of the integral, out of the integrand, what I get is x minus the integral of 1 over u du. And from then on, it becomes really simple to solve this integral right here. So we're simply going to end up with x minus the natural log of the absolute value of u plus c. And in our case, remember u, that's just 1 minus e to the x. So we end up with x minus the natural log of the absolute value of 1 minus e to the x plus c. And this right here is the final answer to our problem. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon for another video.